Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fully customize your character's appearance in PUBG Mobile. From changing your face and hair to outfitting them in stylish clothing and accessories. You can truly create a unique look. So smash that like and let's get into it. Hello and welcome. Please be patient and watch the video till the end carefully. For starting, when you go to lobby and tap on inventory and tap on this icon here, which is change appearance. When you tap on change appearance logo, you will see this message: switch to your original character to change appearance, and you are not able to change your character's appearance. This error means that you can only change your default character's appearance. Now here's the question: what is the default character? The default character is the character that you choose for the first time when you enter to PUBG Mobile. You can choose the gender of male or female and then choose its appearance, including skin color, hairstyle, and other features. Well, with this information, we go to change the appearance of our default character. On the lobby, go to workshop, and after that tap on character. On the left side, tap on switch character, and here you can see your default character. Just tap on use. One more time, tap on use, and on the right side, just tap on appearance, and we will go to the right menu. As you can see, there is an option here. You can customize your appearance of your character. Top of option is you can choose between male or female and change your gender. And after that, on the face option, you can choose your form of your face, which you can select black guys, Asian guys, or something like that. On the hair, you can select your hairstyle, and after that, as you can see here, there is so many options for color of your hair. In the facial hair, you can choose a beard for your character, and you can choose color for your beard. After you make your changes, you have to spend some BP for changes, which is very small, and you get a lot at the end of each game or event. So as you can see, I have to pay about 2000 BP for these changes. One more time, this time I will select female character, and here you can choose your hairstyle, and after that hair color. I like this hair color, and when you finish it, just tap on OK. And this time, as you can see, I had more changes and I have to pay more BP for my changes, and just tap on purchase, and here you can see I made my female character. See guys, it's so easy to change your character's appearance, and you just need to spend a little bit amount of BP to do that. And at the end of the video, I will tell you how to change clothes and accessory quickly and briefly. On the main lobby, tap on inventory, and after that you will find the options to change your outfits here. As you can see, you can change your helmet, you can change your cap, sunglasses and mask, and your suits, your backpack, and everything you see on your character. Here you can see your existing clothes, the clothes you won in the events or bought by yourself, and you can choose between one of them. And that's it. With these customization options, you can truly design your own personalized character. They will stand out in battle royales and look stylish on your profile. Give it a try and get creative. Leave any questions below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.